Most people waste weeks trying to build a Shopify store that actually converts. And the truth is, themes cost hundreds of dollars. AI store builders, they spit out the same shitty websites that just simply nobody's gonna purchase from. But what if I told you I could show you how to build a fully branded dropshipping store in under 10 minutes using AI that doesn't look like shit? And this is the same exact method that I use on my personal stores whenever I'm testing a new product. And look, I'm not here to bullshit you like these other YouTubers. This right here is one of my actual dropshipping stores, and just last year I did over $900,000 in revenue. I still actively run stores, so this just isn't a theory. If your product page is, I'm just gonna say it, ass, then you're simply just burning money on ads. But now with that out the way, let me show you guys how to not burn money on ads and actually build out a good product page. Let's jump over. Okay, so now that we're switched over to my desktop here, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to set up Atlas AI Store Builder. And quick little side note, Atlas is by far my favorite store builder because it actually looks like a branded store and you don't have to do any heavy lifting. So the very first thing you guys wanna do is go ahead and sign up to Shopify. If you guys haven't done that already, go to the link in the description. You guys are gonna get 3 months for just $1 on Shopify, which is quite literally the best offer available. You guys won't find anything better anywhere else. So go ahead and use that link in the description and set up your Shopify account if you haven't already. Okay, so after you guys set up your Shopify account, your dashboard should look something like this, minus the $440,000 on your dashboard, obviously. But head over to the description and click Atlas. You guys are going to get 10% off by using my link. And I mean, it's only $20 already, so 10% off isn't gonna make too big of a difference, but it's there anyways. After you guys head over to the link, it should look like something like this. Make sure you guys are signed into your Shopify store and then click install. And then we're going to click install once again here. And now we have Atlas installed. There we go. So after you guys land on the dashboard of Atlas, we're gonna scroll down here until we see build AI store. We're gonna go ahead and click that. And then we're gonna select our product source. This is obviously if you guys already have your product inputted. If not, and you guys have a product that you guys already want to run, I'm not going to be going over product research in this video, but go ahead and paste in your Amazon link, AliExpress link of your product, and then we're going to move on. But for my sake, I'm going to be selecting a product that's already on my store. So we're going to keep moving forward here, and it's now generating our store just like that. So I'll be right back with you guys once it's finished. And yeah. All right. So since I already have product images for my product, I'm going to go ahead and just use the selected images already because why not? But if you guys have your own product images, go ahead and add them in, and then we're going to click continue. And here's where we want to go and put in our store colors. So I'm going to go ahead and select my primary real quick here. And you guys could see when you guys actually update these, what colors that they actually end up changing. You guys can see the header is different. So we're going to leave that as white because that's going to look pretty gross if we change it to any other color. And then this is our main accent color, as you guys can see. So I'm going to find like a light purple that kind of matches everything else that we got going on here. A little bit lighter, and I think we'll be good. So that looks perfect, honestly. So we're going to leave it as is. And then we're going to move to our homepage. You guys can see it's already pre-built with copy and everything like that. Transform your brush care. We keep scrolling down. Another image that is being used. Sweet. And if we go to our product information, you guys can see we could swap out our bullets, but honestly, it's written it already out for us. So why would we change that? And you guys can see, you guys can insert your star ratings right here. And everything looks pretty good to me for a start. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll up and click continue. And then here's where you guys want to select the basic plan. If you guys type in the coupon code TREK10 and click apply, you guys will actually get 10% off on the basic plan. So you guys save a couple dollars there. And go ahead and click subscribe. We're going to do the monthly plan, and we're going to click approve. So now that is fully done here. We are paid for Atlas. And now after you guys pay for Atlas, it's going to import the store onto Shopify. And you guys can see that was extremely quick and it's already finished. So if we go ahead and click publish your store, it's going to bring us to our online store page here. And we can now publish that theme. So let's go ahead and click publish. Done. So now let's click onto our theme here, head over to the products tab, and then change our products to our main products here. And we're in mobile view, obviously, because if you guys didn't know already, you guys want to optimize your website for mobile or over desktop, because we're not targeting desktop people. We want mobile people who are scrolling on Facebook, Instagram, Reels, or just their feed. So let's go ahead and update some of the things inside of our theme. We're going to start off by changing our product rating. I'll just update that to 4.8. And then we're going to import our number of customers, 1,127 customers. I always run with that number. I don't know why, I just do. But you guys can see we already have our copy filled out on our website, which is really nice that Atlas does that for you. And you guys could also use ChatGPT to ask to fill in these sections. But I'm gonna go ahead and delete this real quick, and we're gonna play around with some of the spacing. You guys can see you guys could add top padding, bottom padding if you guys want as well. Let's move this a little bit down. And then we have all of our product features and benefits. And feel free to change out some of these benefits. If you guys don't like what some of the copy says, you guys could always use ChatGPT to change the copy and make it align more with your brand. And you guys can see we even have some like pretty cool custom coded stuff in here, like this in stock page right here. You guys can see that that is something that, probably no other theme is going to have. And then we have our product FAQ right here, just quick questions about shipping, common questions that people have. And again, it's already filled this information in for us. How does the brush cleaner work? Is the cleaner suitable for all types of brushes? These are good questions that are being answered here. And then we also have a custom review that we could go ahead and fill in an avatar, a review, the location and name. And we have a horizontal sliding text in our main section right here. You guys could swap this out for a video or another image if you guys would prefer. I'd recommend obviously not leaving everything, as default. I'd go ahead and change out some sections based on your product, because you guys are not going to need all of these sections. They add a lot by default, so you guys won't need everything. But you guys could even see that we have a brand slider right here. You guys could throw in some makeup brands, makeup magazines, and keep scrolling through here. And we even have a results tab, which is showing what percentage of our customers received what type of benefits after using our product. And then we have an icon guarantees, 24/7 support. We have hassle-free returns. We have all of the stuff that we would possibly need to build out a solid product page. And this is a pretty solid product page for basically the start. We have a customer review slider right here, which is awesome to have. And then a little glamorized horizontal sliding text and another feature section, guarantee, and then a FAQ. I'd highly recommend filling that out. But again, guys, you don't need to use all these sections. This is a super good product page to start off with. And then obviously you guys can go to the theme settings, import your logo. Let me go ahead and scroll down here, put in our Rinse Lily logo. And there we go. We have our logo set up. And then you guys could also change up your colors if there's stuff that you guys want to change. We could change our accent color if we want to even further. Let's maybe make it just a little darker so it's a little bit more readable. And yeah, there you guys have it. That's everything you guys need for colors. You guys could change the font even if you guys want to. I personally like to use Poppins or Montserrat, whatever you guys prefer. You could change the font here. Boom, select. And then we could change our button styles. Basically, literally everything, guys. Like, this is a all-in-one AI tool to build your product page. And this is the exact same structure that I use to take stores from $0 to $1,000 days within a span of a week and setting up the store in under 24 hours. And the difference between beginners and the people who are actually making money with this, the store quality and conversion optimization. Now look, building the store is really the easiest part of it. Now, what really separates successful dropshippers from everybody else is finding the right products to test and how to scale profitably. And to be quite honest, that's where most people fail. Now, here's the reality. I spent months losing money, testing products, and just running unprofitably. And to be honest, I was down over $8,000 in my first 2 months of starting dropshipping, actually selling this product I just showed you guys, all because I was learning from the wrong people. And that's exactly why I started my mentorship program. And before you click off, I'm not here to sell you some bullshit fucking course. I'm here to actually coach you step by step through the process. I'll help you find winning products using the exact product research methods that I personally use myself. I'll be consistently reviewing your store and making sure that you're not missing out on any money. And I'll guide you step by step on how to run your ads and how to scale your ads profitably. Think about it. If having me look over your shoulder, saving you months of trial and error, wouldn't that be worth it? Especially when you see students hitting their first $1,000 days in weeks and not months. And spots are limited this month, so if you're serious, go ahead and fill out the application down below. And after you fill out that application, you're actually going to get access to my full free student course that I used to charge over $1,500 for, but you guys are going to be getting that for completely free just for filling out an application. So with that being said, comment what you guys want the next video to be about and I'll make it for you guys. Peace.